welcome to my channel. So this is a sponsored video. The sponsor name is at the bottom of the screen. I'm so sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it, but they sent me this passion twist hair to review. So I'm going to show you guys how it works. This is all the stuff that comes in the packaging. As you can see, the color that I have is really pretty. I think it was a 1B27. I'm not sure. I'll list it below. But these are all the different methods that you can use to install them. I'm going to be using the first method, which is going to require me to pre-twist the hair myself and crochet it in. So this is how the hair looks out of the package. Now I got 6 packages of this hair. So I'll be using all 6 of those today. As you can see, I have it already. Well, they come in like little singlets. So I'm using 3 singlets per twist. What I'm going to do is pull out the singlets just to make them more fluffier. Now, I recommend that you use 2 instead of 3 because I did run out of hair, but I do have a big head. So, yeah, I was just able to spread them out to, make it work. But I do recommend you using 2 singlets instead of 3 like I did. Alright, so I use my tripod stand. You can use whatever you want, but you want to make sure that they're uneven before you wrap them around whatever you use, your pole, and just twist it all the way to the end. Like, it's really that simple. Alright, so once you're done with the twisting, this is how they should look. I just have mine sitting on my little tripod. This is how my breakdown looks. I have about 6 braids in the front and then 4 big braids going across in the back. Now, as you can see right now, I'm just crocheting the hair in. Now, I should have went ahead and spaced them out a little bit more, but I ended up doing that toward the end of the video. But yeah, the reason I did my braid pattern this way going across is because normally I'll do it straight down and I just don't like that. Like, it just seems more bulky to me. But since the twists are going to be going down, it made more sense to me to do my braid pattern across so that they would fall really nice. But crocheting this hair in was super easy. Now it feels really soft and bouncy and silky. I really love the texture of this hair. I decided to, like I said, you've seen the process of me actually making the hair puffier because my actual hair is more so kinky. So with me, I'm just gonna cut the ends of it off like this, just a little straggling ends, and that's it. I'm not gonna go up the hair shaft and cut the flyaways or anything. I'm just gonna leave them there because to me, that's just what I like. It just looks nice like that. you know, I decided it was getting a little heavy, so I'm just going to spread out what I have in. The spray that I'm using is synthetic wig spray. Since this hair is synthetic, I decided to go ahead and spray it with it. Now this hair is very nice. I love how the twist came out and the color. Do not forget to purchase this hair off Amazon. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will leave the link below so that you guys can see it. And yeah, I love it. And with one order, 6 packs come, so you don't have to order 6 separate packs. But yeah, this is how it looks. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe. Bye.